Hello. We are doing an Atlas line signal review video for today, Thursday, July 21st. As a reminder, there is no guarantee of performance when it comes to day trading. There can be loss and profit. Past performance is not indicative of future results. Keep that in mind as you trade and practice. The Atlas line is a signal system. It plugs right into NinjaTrader as an indicator. Once it's added to the chart, you'll see signals like this one here. Now I will go through the signals and show you the expected outcome based on the rules that we teach. With purchase of our software comes video training that fully teaches you how to use the method. Live training is also included. This first Atlas line signal is a long or buy signal that occurred right about here at 3957.75. We base the profit target and stop loss upon the ATR. The ATR is subject to change because it's based on price, and all the trading we do, by the way, is based on price action. So as we see the ATR lower, we can then adjust our profit target and stop loss. With this in mind, we saw that the profit target was worth a potential 5.75 points based on this ATR value. We typically round down to the nearest tick, and then we would get out right about here because the longest we hold a trade for with the Atlas line is about 4 consecutive candles, and that would be about 4 to 5 minutes after the entry on a 1-minute chart, as you see here. So that would have been potentially a profit target of 5.75 points, a great trade. Moving further on in the morning, we have an Atlas line short signal. This one was not a winner. You can see how the entry price was right here, 2 candle closes below the Atlas line's line. Price then closed on the opposite side of the Atlas line, thus getting us out, and this would have been a loss of 5.75 points. So this is a washout compared to the last trade. So at this point, there would be only the broker commissions and other things like that, a total washout, no potential profit thus far. After this, we have an Atlas line long signal, and this one was a winner with the profit target reached about here, a total potential profit target of 5.25 points. Soon after, we see an Atlas line short signal. This one was a winner as well. The entry was right about here, 3940.75. Price dropped steadily to this point here, and the profit target was 4.75 points. So we've had some consecutive winners so far, and that trend is continuing here with a long or buy signal. This one worth 3.5 points, and then another one here worth another 3.5 points. And by this point, we're getting closer to noon, so we typically discontinue trading around that time. And it seems like there are no signals for a good period of time after that. You can take these Atlas line strength and pullback trades. These are taught in the included training. Here is a recap of the signals and their potential worth. First, we have a winner of 5.75 points, and then a losing trade worth the same. Then a winner here, followed by another winner, and another, and another. This totals 17 points, which is equal to $850 using 1 contract, or $1,700 using 2 contracts. The etc. refers to the scaling that applies when you trade with more contracts. The ability to trade more contracts depends on your broker and typically the amount of funding associated with your account. Thank you for watching, and a reminder, visit our website, DayTradeToWin.com. Sign up for access to our exclusive members area that contains many helpful downloads and videos. In addition, you can contact us here on the contact page. We have all of our courses and software available here in the menu. The Atlas line that you saw in today's video can be accessed here. This is the official Atlas line page with all of the information and purchase links. You can get all of our methods in one complete package via the Accelerated Mentorship Program. This program contains all the methods that we have to offer, plus a full video library and live training. Have a great day. Good trading.